crochet this a little bit more than two others. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bubbles, and these two only 5 bubbles each panel. So I'm gonna keep up with those two, and again I'm gonna crochet one more bubble in each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yes, 7, and then I'm gonna crochet 2 bubbles next to the 7th bubble. The colors are so bright, I like them. So today's January 1st, 2025. I finished first panel in 3 different colors, and look at that. This is like the whole inch difference between the pink, yellow, and blue. Let me show you this. And it's straight, and that and a whole inch. Wow, that's a big difference. So, and when I feel this is thinner than this one. This one feels very thick. Like I said, I like the colors, and I like how it's looking like right now. So I'm gonna grab white right now. I think I have 3 balls of white, and I'm gonna start next panel. Of course, I can use like 1 ball and take 1 from the middle, 1 from outside, but I don't think that's a great idea. I'm gonna tangle myself in the yarn. So let me show you far away. So here I found 3 balls, like I showed you before. Yeah, it's white. So let's crochet. show you how I crochet these two bubbles. This is for the letter N. Because I crochet my bubbles differently than the lady in the video. So I'm gonna show you at the end, but after that I'm gonna pull it back and crochet just single crochets at the end, but I just want to show you first. So here I have my 6 stitches, and I made my bubble. Then in the next stitch I'm gonna crochet single crochet, and in the same stitch I'm gonna crochet another bubble, and I'm gonna finish my bubble and single crochet in the next. So when I'm gonna crochet on the right side, I'm not gonna crochet single crochet in this stitch. I'm gonna skip it. So single crochet there and single crochet in this bubble. I won't crochet this here. So I'm gonna show you here on the blue one. See 2 bubbles, and I skipped that single crochet. So this is where I am so far. See, if you lay them next to each other, the pink are shorter. I think it's like an inch or 2. My child cut my yarn. Look what he did. He's almost 10 and he does these things. Look at that. That's the sad part, but I still like what I'm doing and I like the colors. So I finished second panel. The hardest row was this bubbles, and when I crocheted I missed a bubble in E and I have to pull everything back. So like when you crochet bubble row, when you turn around, when you crochet the bubble row, always check, make sure you don't miss any bubbles. And when you crochet the row on the wrong side, always count, make sure you have 121 stitches. So this two words very easy to crochet except the O and the end. Everything else is very easy. So first row you can watch the video tutorial, and next row, see, you just crochet a bubble above each one, very easy. And here you crochet 3 bubbles, then 2 bubbles on the side, so only 1 stitches to the left and 1 stitch to the right, and then 1 2 3 4 5 bubbles in the row. And here you just crochet the bubbles all the way to the top, very easy. So, and the O, 3 bubbles, 1 stitch to the right, to the left, and 1 to the right, 2 bubbles, and same thing, 1 stitch here and there, and 5 in the row, and then you close them together. So same thing as you did here, you do here, just it goes inside. Here you just crochet line that goes on the side. It's also very easy if you not beginner. So I only watched the video for the first row, and sometimes a little bit to crochet in. So as I said, the O and N the hardest in this panel. Now I'm gonna crochet hearts, like a third panel with this color. It's the same thing, you don't even have to watch the video. You can make a screenshot of the heart, and it's very easy. So one row you crochet heart here, next row 2 hearts on the side, 2 hearts, 2 hearts, 2 bubbles, I'm sorry, first bubble and 2 bubbles on the side, 2 bubbles on the side, until you get 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then you have to stop, 3 bubbles in a row on each side. Then in the same row you're gonna split the row in half and crochet 1 bubble in the middle. Next row 2 bubbles, and 1 on the right, 1 on the left of these 2 bubbles, and 3 bubbles on the top. It's very easy.